Okay, now I've got my 7.62 by 39 AR-15. It's custom built by myself. It's got Yankee Hill, pretty much everything, and Magpul, everything else. I'm using Magpul PMags with just 5 rounds of 7.62 by 39, and I've got some targets out there at 100 yards and 200 yards. So let's see if I can hit those water bottles up there.